In this video, I'm going to show you how you can export or download theme in Google Slides. So if you want to export your theme, it is pretty simple. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. Alright, so to do this, just head over to this view option here, and then you'll see the option called theme builder. Now, if you click on theme builder, you'll see we have the themes here under theme builder. Now here, go ahead and make any changes on the themes as you wish, and once you are done, you will be ready to export or to download them. Now, to export these layouts that you have just edited and formatted to your liking, go ahead and click on file here, and then choose the option called download. Under download, go ahead and choose Microsoft PowerPoint. You can also go ahead and choose the others. If you want in form of a PDF document, you can also do the same. So for my case, I'll go ahead and choose Microsoft PowerPoint because this is the best presentation for exporting themes. So if you click on it, the download process will begin here shortly, and within no time, you can see our theme has been downloaded and is available here. So that's how you can export theme in Microsoft Slides. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.